What's in the box?
Hello everyone and welcome again to another episode of What's in the Box, the series where I unpack all the stuff that I buy. So I got this new delivery here, so let's discover together what's inside. And here you can see it already, it's a Minihelmet from Bell. But it's not the usual Minihelmet, it's another rally helmet of Thierry Neuville. And this time his Rally Japan helmets, the rally in which he of course finally won the world title. And it's a special design as well, you'll see it in a minute. And here is the helmet. It's very cool that they put it in these Bell branded pouches these days. Yeah, it looks really nice. So let's open this one up and discover this rather special Minihelmet together. Well, I can already see a piece and it looks awesome. Look at that. Yeah, this is a stunning Minihelmet. I have to say, the livery, the artwork on it is just incredible. It looks really, really cool. And of course, for the Thierry Neuville fans, this is a must-have. The helmet he wore when he won the title. Very cool design, very cool helmet. With the grey interior as well, that's also really nice. Normally it's black and now it's the correct grey actually. So that's a cool feature. Yeah, and the artwork is really nice on it, as I said. And yeah, another very cool addition to the collection, of course. Next up then, another delivery I just received, and it's kind of related to the Minihelmet. And it's actually something I was looking forward to a lot because I was searching for this for quite some time now. And I finally found one, so let's have a look at what this is. As you can see, obviously the original packaging is missing, but I don't mind too much. I'm so glad I just finally found one. And it is, of course, the Citroën DS3 WRC car of Belgian duo Thierry Neuville and his co-driver at the time, Nicolas Gilsoul, from 2012. And this is, I believe, the Rallye de France car in which he scored his first points, I think. Built by Norev in scale 1/18th diecast car. Yeah, really cool looking machine, and has opening parts as well. I don't know if this opens. Well, probably not then. The doors do open. There you go. You can see the interior, which is well, a bit detailed. It's a Norev model, so it's not mighty detailed, but still does look very fine. And this, of course, is another cool addition to the Neuville collection. I have basically all of his cars, except for the Ford Fiesta, which is going to be a bit more difficult to find. But yeah, anyways, very happy to add this and the Minihelmet to the collection. So this was the unboxing video of these two deliveries I got. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like down below if you did. And check out the other content on the channel as well. Subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next one.